I am currently standing at the parking lot for Spruce Knob, the highest point in West Virginia, at 4,863 feet above sea level. You can take Forest Service Road 112 to Forest Service Road 104 to the parking lot, and to get to the high point, you must walk about 900 feet that way. There's also a nature trail called the Whispering Spruce Trail that is half a mile long and encircles the summit. I am currently standing at the top of the observation deck at the summit of Spruce Knob. The benchmark is below the deck. From the observation deck, there are pretty good views of the Allegheny Mountains to the west, but the views to the east are impeded by tree growth. I am currently standing at the highest point in West Virginia, at the summit of Spruce Knob, at an elevation of 4,863 feet. There's a benchmark here, very near to the edge of the observation deck. It seems that there are also some stone benches here, which are of a higher elevation, but because these aren't natural, they don't count. So, right here, at the tip of this rock, is the highest point in West Virginia. I am currently on the Whispering Spruce Trail, looking at a very good view of the Allegheny Ridges in West Virginia. The view west, I'd say I could probably see for about 25 miles. And the summit of Spruce Knob is quite interesting because it has a boreal forest, which is more common in northern New England or Canada. However, due to the elevation of Spruce Knob, the boreal forest is what grows because the temperature is a lot colder up here than at the base, and the trees are more stunted.